In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save OneNote to OneDrive. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how to confirm that your notes are securely stored in the cloud and automatically syncing across all your devices without any extra effort. To begin, open your web browser and search for the Microsoft account sign-in page. From the search results, select the official Microsoft website to access your account dashboard. This is where you can manage and open all your Microsoft 365 applications in one place. Once the page loads, sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Enter your email and password carefully, and complete any additional verification steps if prompted. After successfully signing in, you'll be ready to access your apps directly from the browser. Next, look toward the top left corner of the screen and find the App Launcher icon, which appears as a grid of 9 dots. Click on it to open the full list of available Microsoft applications. From there, locate and select OneNote. If it's not immediately visible, you can scroll through the list or choose the option to view all apps. When OneNote opens in your browser, you'll see a list of your notebooks. Select the notebook you want to check by clicking on it. Opening the correct notebook ensures that you're viewing the exact notes you want to confirm are saved to the cloud. With the notebook open, direct your attention to the top area where the notebook name is displayed. You'll notice a small arrow next to the name. Click this arrow to expand additional details about the notebook. This section provides important information about where your notebook is stored. In the expanded view, look for the location details of the notebook. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see that it is saved to OneDrive. This confirms that your notebook is stored in the cloud and that any changes you make are automatically saved and synced across your devices. There's no need to manually save or upload your notes, as everything happens seamlessly in the background. As a helpful reminder, if you don't see your notebook listed, make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account used to create it. Also, if you've been working offline, your changes will sync automatically once your internet connection is restored. Using the same account on all your devices ensures a smooth and consistent experience. And that's it. You've successfully confirmed that your OneNote notebook is saved to OneDrive and ready to sync wherever you go. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.